Get paid to just provide business names for companies. If you are good at guessing, predicting names, or coming up with good unique names, you stand a chance of making from $100 to $200 for just providing one unique business name for companies online. All you need is your phone or your laptop with an internet connection and you are good to go. But before we start, welcome to the channel. Money making. If you are new, make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So, whenever a video is uploaded, you will be updated with our new content. Now let's get back to the video. Now, go to this website right here, Nomelix.com. This is a business name generator. This website will help you generate a short, brandable business name using artificial intelligence. A lot of business names can be created with this tool. Right here, this website will help you get name ideas. And here, Nomelix generates short, catchy names with a state-of-the-art language model. Right here, filter results. Decide whether you prioritize a shorter name, having a specific keyword or domain extension. That means, this website will let you decide if you want a longer or shorter name. And here, save your names. Our algorithm learns from the names you like, giving you better recommendations over time. This means the more you use this website, the more this website will generate a better name for you. If we scroll down right here, why a branded name? The truth is, for new businesses, naming options can seem quite limited. Short domains are very expensive, yet longer multi-word names don't inspire confidence. In 2022, many startups are choosing a short, branded name, a name that's unique, memorable, and affordable. This tool is going to help you generate great, shorter, affordable, and cheaper names for business. If we scroll all the way down right here, this platform is going to also help you generate or create a free logo for the company names you generate. If we scroll right back up, right now I'm going to be showing you a real-world instance where we can be able to use this software to make money. Now, go to this website right here, squadhelp.com. On this particular website, you are paid for just typing in the names of different businesses. This is the fastest way to name a business name, an application or software, a startup, a company, a brand, a website, a service, a book, a product, and a lot more. What you will be doing is providing names for companies who will be coming to this website to look for unique names. Right here, we have names for sale. Handpicked collection of premium names with a matching URL. If we click right here where it says, Explore Names for Sale, you will land on this page. If we scroll down, right here, you are going to see a lot of unique business names and domains on this platform. Right here we have, nicegirl.com going for $4,999. Here we have trueguild.com going for $1,999. Here we have internist.com going for $1,999. Right here we have totalcure.com going for $9,299. This one right here, cryptoyule.com going for $4,399. If we scroll down again, right here we have hustleking.com going for $3,399. Right here, we have styleeffort.com going for $3,299. This one, gamezilo.com going for $2,999. Now, if we scroll throughout this page, we are going to see a lot of brand names on this page. This is very easy. You can also start this today and start making money. All you need to do is come up with unique names and post them to this website and you will stand a chance of making money with this website. If you look on the left-hand side, you are going to see a lot of categories on this website. We have the agency and consulting. We have the tech, internet, software. We have the e-commerce and retail. We have the health and wellness. We have the fashion and clothing. We have the beauty and cosmetics. We have the finance. We have marketing and advertising. We have food and drink. We have education and training. We have the fintech, that is the finance technology. We have cryptocurrency, blockchain. We have fitness and gym. As you can see, there are so many more categories to choose from. This means you can come up with a unique name from any of the categories and be successful. If we go back to the homepage right here, we have naming contests. This is actually a place where you can be able to send in your unique names for companies and businesses to choose from. Custom name suggestions from hundreds of naming experts as you are guided through our agency style process. If we click on Launch a Contest, we are going to land on this page. To enter the contest, you have 4 steps to follow. Step 1. Choose the contest type. Meaning you have to choose a particular category you want to be involved in. Step 2. Contest brief. Here, you will only have to explain what your unique name is all about. Step 3. Pricing. Here, you will choose how much you will want for your chosen name. Step 4. Payment. Here you will have to connect how you will be paid. Once you are done, you will be able to get in the contest and stand a chance of making a lot of money from your unique name. Before we move on in this video, if you enjoy the video so far, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel if you have not. Now, let us get back to the video. If we go back to the name generator right here, for example, let's type in online money. Once you do that, click on Generate. You will land on this page. Right here, you can choose it if you want a lesser random name. The most direct name ideas. Or you can choose medium if you want a more balanced name with a more creative result. Or you can choose high if you want your name to be a random idea, a more varied results. For this video, let us choose low for example. Click on low and click on next. Right here, you will have to select a name style. For this video, let us choose all style. Once you do that, click on generate right here. Now your name is generating. Once it is done, you are going to see that this AI platform has automatically generated both the name and the logo for your ideal all for free. All you can do right now is scroll around on this page and choose the best name you want. As you can see, there are a lot of names with their logo to choose from. Everything on this page is totally free. All you have to do is choose one of the names with the logo and go back to squadhelp.com and submit your name and your logo, and you will stand a chance of making a lot of money. And that's it guys. If you like it, please smash the like button and make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. So, whenever we upload a new video online, you will be updated with our new content. See you in the next video.